Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. First of all, this is not a paid promotion video. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the specification details regarding GOLD-97ET LED Universal Backlight Driver Board. This universal backlight driver board is used to repair backlight related fault in LED TVs. You can see this is the board. The board number is GOLD-97ET. See friends, here the input VCC ranges from 12 volt to 60 volt and the output voltage is ranges from 180 volt, maximum of 180 volt. We can use up to 50 inches LED TV. This universal backlight driver board is suitable up to 50 inches LED TV